Sometimes we feel too tired to cook but we are hungry, so we need a dinner that can be done without long preparation. Today we are going to cook beef steak. First, rub the beef with salt and pepper. Second, cut the corn into smaller portions. Third step, grill the corn and set aside. After that, pour olive oil in a hot pan. When oil is hot, sear the beef. Cook each side for 15 minutes or to your desired doneness. Sprinkle thyme if you want to add flavor. Check to ensure that each side are cooked equally. Choose how you want your steak done. After cooked, serve with grilled corn and mushroom gravy. It's now ready to eat. Thank you for watching.